tired to sacrificing your time to make an income? Hey, if you're listening right now, I have something life-changing to share with you. Imagine if you can earn a solid income just working 2 hours a day. No more missing out on life's precious moments or feeling constantly stressed about money. With our proven blueprint, step by step, you can achieve it. You will learn step by step how to set up and run your online business within 2 hours a day. This business is done for you business. It's an automated business. You don't need to call people. You don't need to DMs people. You need a phone, Wi-Fi, and social media platform. This isn't just about making money. It's about gaining freedom and flexibility. Think about being able to pursue your passions, travel more, or simply enjoy life. I understand how valuable your time is. You deserve doing what you love, not just working to get by. Whether it's for more me time or more family time or more adventure time, this process can help you reclaim your life. The best part? You can start right now. You don't have to wait until tomorrow to start living the life you always dreamed of. If you want to learn more how we're using a proven blueprint to work just 2 hours a day and take control over your life in the future, type I am ready in the comments and I'm going to share this blueprint with you.